What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the Birdhouse. When I first started watching cook-ups on YouTube, a lot of people were doing these 5-minute challenges. So I got 5 minutes on the timer. I got FL Studio pulled up, about to see what I can cook up in 5 minutes. Probably do a trap beat, keep it in my wheelhouse. Let's see what we can do. All right, let's get to it. 3, 2, 1, go. Don't even have the key right yet. We're going C. We're gonna still do it on the fly. C minor, all right. Cool. What are we at with the timer? Ooh, minute and a half. Let's get it. Let's go different piano just slightly. I'm not even talking. I'm just cooking, man. I'm just cooking. What's the time at? Shit, putting ghost notes out there. All right. Omnisphere. Up. Check the time in a second. Oh my God. Going user. Here. Pad. Boom. That sounds cool. Two minutes. 2 minutes. Can he do it? beat, put it on the kick, boom. Where we at? Where we at? Oh yeah, oh yeah. That's a beat. That's a beat, right on time. Bow, 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 bow. Come on, son. Come on, son. Did that. Did that. Y'all saw it. It was 7, 6, 5, 4. Hey, 5-minute cook-ups. I'm not gonna lie, I was nervous as hell. You know, I'm still gonna get it right. I'm still gonna get it right. You know, because we're gonna wind up selling this beat, so I can't just leave it unfinished. All right, 808, bow. All right, I would probably sauce up the hi-hats a little bit more, but I'm gonna leave them because that's how we did it in the 5 minutes. So, and I love two-step hi-hats. I love them. I love them. Some of my best songs. I just made the hats and never did anything after I made them. I just left them. Just went out and made me money. All right, so it's sequenced. You know, it's a full beat now.